Wow. So we are on a 35 grand bike. Well, probably more like 20, 28 maybe. BMW S1000 RR M Sport with just over 210 brake at the rear wheel. Absolute mind boggle. With maybe 7 grand carbon on it. Obviously it's been remapped. Absolute weapon of a bike. Just absolutely ridiculous. Would I say I'm nervous? You know, I don't know. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Couldn't really tell you. Bike is a 2021 model. Absolute phenomenal piece of kit. To say the least, it's so smooth. The bike is just absolutely unreal. You can probably see the carbon fibre that just visible from me being bent over the bike like a naughty schoolboy. Unreal. And like, it's just so smooth at the same time as well, you know. So we're on our way now. The guy that I'm following, Boo Rider 61, on our way. I can't actually see anything out of these mirrors. Oh, there is a car behind me. Just unbelievable. This bike is definitely a no, I wouldn't say it's a dream bike for me. My MT10 was definitely a dream bike, definitely up there. Power wise, it's on point. It definitely beats all these R1s and, you know, all these Panigales that are out there. I guess it kind of depends what you're into and what's your kind of flavour of bike. Crazy to think, first gear does just over 100 miles an hour. Yeah, it's just phenomenal. What a piece of kit. The throttle is there, it's 100% there. Although I'm in 5th gear right now at 4k RPM, you can still feel it wanting just to pull. It's just unreal. And that's not even the power band. The power band's up, you know, the 8k RPM range. It redlines at 13,000. It's just a beast of a bike, to say the least, you know. It's we popped as well. We popped like a bad boy then. Or maybe that was my phone and everything falling out of my pocket then. We're doing 71 miles an hour without even feeling it. We're barely giving any throttle, like. It's, you know, as far as naked bikes go, I've enjoyed the MT10. Hands down, 100% here. However, this BMW takes it to a whole new level. It's just, what a gorgeous bike. Absolute, mate, German engineering. It's just up there, isn't it, really? It really, really is. Oh, can't find the indicator. I'll let you brake for me, mate. And the thing is with these sports bikes, I'm a big guy. I'm 6 foot, 6'4", you know. And normally I'm kind of, oh shit, my hands are gonna hurt and, you know, all this other stuff. However, just not there. Not there with this. It's oh, just beautiful. Absolute beauty. It's the changing on that quick shifter, it's just such a delicate change, you know what I mean? It's I generally can't even explain it to you. although apparently it has a quick downshifter. Oh, it does as well. It does all that Gucci stuff, and we're going to do a lifesaver just on the pure fact that it's not my bike, and I'm incredibly fortunate to even have the availability to ride it. It's my dad's Blue Riders, and it's, well, to say the least, it will be mine at some point in time. 100% ownership instead of, you know, just the oh, he wants me to go next to him. Just look at my bike as well. Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. So not a massive fan riding in the wet, especially on a bike like this, with all that power almost at your fingertips, and it very much is, you know. I would definitely be a bit like Wreck-It Ralph if I had this bike, you know, 100% of the time, 1000% of the time. I think if the rear sets were like lowered down and my knee was slightly dropped, fantastic, absolutely phenomenal bike. Probably not a bike that's designed for someone of my build, you know, but oh god, it is beautiful. I know you guys probably here if you want to know the specs and everything. Unfortunately, I can't provide that information, as important as that information actually is as well, you know. So, oh, look at that car as well. Absolute phenomenal bike. Oh mate. But I mean, I thought, right, just hear me out, I kind of thought, me being a big guy, I'd have a lot of weight on the front end here, and it would be really, really difficult to kind of handle and actually steer and move. It's very much the opposite. It's, I don't know, it's definitely a weird one. Oh, but where's neutral? Neutral, found it.